Each one of us has unique dreams and goals that we would like to pursue. It could be short-term, long-term, or immediate financial goals. A proper financial plan can give us wings to our dreams. HSBC Life Insurance Guaranteed Assured Income provides you with a life insurance coverage to achieve financial stability and security for your family. Will this plan suit your long or short-term goal? This detailed review helps you to understand Canara HSBC Guaranteed Assured Income Plan and also helps you in your decision making. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. Canara HSBC Guaranteed Assured Income is an individual life insurance that is non-linked and non-participating. The main features are life cover throughout the policy term, even during the income payout period, guaranteed regular stream of income, option of increasing your yearly income, total premium paid is returned at the end of the policy term. Income payout can be annual, semi-annual, quarterly or monthly. There are 3 variants under this plan. The survival benefit alone varies under each variant. For short-term income, it provides income for shorter term of 5 or 7 years. The income is to be paid once the premium paying term plus deferment period is over and until the end of the policy term. Long-term income, it provides income for long term of 10, 15, 20 or 25 or 30 years. The income is to be paid once the premium payment term plus deferment period is over and until the end of the policy term. Next, early income, it provides immediate income starting from the second policy year onwards and till the end of the policy term. During the premium paying term, only assured income is payable. After the premium paying term, along with the assured income, you get loyalty additions. Death benefit and the maturity benefit is same under all 3 variants. Death benefit, sum assured on death is the amount that is higher of sum assured or 105% of total premiums paid. Sum assured is defined as 11 times or 7 times the annualized premium. Maturity benefit, sum assured on maturity, that is final benefit equal to 100% of total premium is payable as maturity benefit. Now let us analyze the advantages and disadvantages of Canara HSBC Guaranteed Assured Income. Advantages: loan facility is available, loyalty income increases your survival benefit, booster for higher annualized premium. You can customize the policy to suit your financial goals and requirements, and step-up income option is also available. Disadvantages: plan option once chosen cannot be altered within the policy term. Survival benefit will not help you to meet any big ticket expenses. Return of premium at maturity doesn't consider the time value of money. Under Canara HSBC Guaranteed Assured Income Plan, you receive both survival benefit and maturity benefit. And though the benefits are guaranteed, you need to check the returns before investing in the plan. Calculation of internal rate of return helps to proceed further in our analysis. Case study given in the sales brochure is analyzed here. Female aged 30 years opts for HSBC Life Insurance Guaranteed Assured Income Plan and pays a premium of rupees 1 lakh annually. She opts for a premium payment term of 5 years, deferment period of 5 years and an income payout period equal to premium paying term, which is 5 years. She chooses income payout frequency as annual. The policy term is 15 years. The survival benefit starts from the end of 11th year and until the end of 15th year. She receives 78,315 annually and the final maturity amount is rupees 5 lakhs. In the above illustration, the IRR calculation for the cash flow results in 4.89%. For a long-term investment, the return should beat inflation, which is missing in Canara HSBC Life Insurance Guaranteed Assured Income Plan. This shows that survival benefit is not adjusted to inflation, so often survival benefit will end up with the discretionary expenses. This defeats the purpose of savings. Now let us look for opportunities where you can invest the same premium as seen in the previous illustration. Canara HSBC Life Insurance Guaranteed Assured Income Plan offers life cover, survival benefit and maturity benefits. To match it up, first we need to look for a pure term life insurance policy and then we can invest separately to meet the survival and maturity benefit. A pure term policy for a sum assured of rupees 11 lakhs would cost 9,300. The policy term is 15 years and the premium paying term is 5 years. Out of rupees 1 lakh, after paying pure term insurance premium, a balance of rupees 90,700 could be invested in the ELSS fund for the first 5 years. During the deferment period of 5 years, the fund grows. At the end of the deferment period, while exiting the fund, capital gains tax is payable. Tax calculation is given here. The pre-tax fund value is 12.73 lakhs. After the payment of capital gains tax, the post-tax value is 12.01 lakh. This amount is invested in a debt instrument yielding a 7% return. From this debt investment, rupees 78,315 is withdrawn annually. This is to match the survival benefit. In the final year, to match the maturity benefit, the amount left in the investment is withdrawn fully. In the above illustration, the IRR calculated for this cash flow results in 9.27%. Long-term investment beating inflation rate is always beneficial to investor. If you allow the fund to grow, that is without withdrawing annually, you will get a better returns than this. Compounding benefits work at their best in the long run. Under Canara HSBC Life Insurance Guaranteed Assured Income Plan, the income payout will not suffice to meet any of your goals, and also the returns are not satisfactory. IRR analysis reveals that both returns and cash flow are important factors in choosing an investment avenue. We reached the end part of our analysis. Final verdict on Canara HSBC Life Insurance Guaranteed Assured Income Plan. This plan does not participate in the profit and it is not linked to the market. All the policy benefits are upfront, guaranteed at the start of the policy. Survival benefit starts post completion of the premium payment term and deferment period to take care of the recurring expenses. As a maturity benefit, 100% of total premiums payable will be paid. Cash flow is predetermined and flexible to adjust all types of goals, either short term or long term, and also flexibility in receiving your payout. The main drawback of this plan is returns. To keep up with the inflation, your investment must earn more than the inflation rate. Our IRR analysis shows that the return is below par. The reason for the below average return is mixing up of insurance and investment. Alternatively, you can opt for a pure term life insurance policy and invest separately for life goals. Please consult a certified financial planner to give wings to your dreams by drafting a custom-made financial plan. Detailed review of Canara HSBC Life Insurance Guaranteed Assured Income Plan is available as a blog post in our website. The link is given in the description. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming enlightening investment webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.